You're gonna have to give me your channel afterwards. I'd like to look it up.
Alrighty.
Let's go have some fun in 3, 2, 1, go.
This thing is quick.
It is. It really is. It's an instantaneous torque off the line. Nice through the corner. Beautiful. Good. And then hard to the right here. And then gradually pick up that throttle. There you go. Good.
What got you into motorsports?
My grandfather raced.
Oh,
so I
really?
got the bug from my grandfather, yeah.
IMSA or SCCA?
SCCA, straight in between the green cones. So I currently actively race in SCCA and do endurance racing and do a lot of coaching and private instructing gigs. And
Are you Jersey based?
I am Ohio, Northwest Ohio.
Shucks.
So,
okay.
Yeah.
Trying to find a coach.